Welcome to another video from Darren Nicky Hornby GWR. This time we are looking at the Victorian Terrace house, right middle, in the Scaledale range by Hornby. And the product number is R7353. The link to this I will put below. Got this in the sale, 50% discount, so this is really good. So I will put the link what I did pay and what the price was in the section below. So if we flip over the side, this is what it will come at when you've completed the sections. We are looking at that middle one, where you can just see the numbers. If I move my thumb out of the way, and what the building will look like when it's complete. So yeah, I'm going to get this out of the box, and basically let's get this unboxed, shall we? This hasn't been out of the box before, it just came through the post today, so let's get this out. I will not know when this video will come out. It could be out by next week or the week after. Which one will come first? The end one of the terrace housing or this middle one? So that's it basically, but I'm just going to push this to the side. Going back to the pub I reviewed, I want to know if you want to see me sticking down grass and ballast using the glue as a video. If you do want to see me doing this, using this ballast and this grass, please leave your comments below, and I will do the video. If people don't want to see me do that, then I will not bother to do that at all. It's up to you guys who are watching this, because I want to please everyone who are watching me. I don't want people to be like saying, oh yeah, I've seen this on other people's channels, oh yeah, I've seen it on this person's channel, I would like to see it at all. Well, then that's why I'm just asking from you lot, would you like to see it or not, before I go down that road. So that's the housing out the box. Move that. This is the right hand mid-door bit, so you will join the buildings together like that and make one complete set. The roof detail is lovely, the brickwork is lovely. If you wanted to weather it up, like if you got like a steam age era and then you've got it much dirtier, then you could do what you like. But Who knows what you would do. But the drain pipe is lovely, the detail's lovely, the chimney pots are lovely. This is the inside of the building. You can see on the sticker there, made in China, Hornby Hobbies 2022. So you could just have like a bird just flown over or just sat on the roof, and you could just do like a bit of bird droppings or something, or stick a bird on it. It'd be lovely when there's a light bulb inside and it brings out the light through the windows and it looks like someone's actually living in there. So all I can say is a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and please keep it up. Please subscribe if you haven't. There is another videos coming out when I go to Alexander Palace. Hopefully I can get some good stuff there, and if there is, I'll get a video done on those, and hopefully I will get another video done as soon as I can. So a huge thank you to everyone. Please hit that subscribe button, please hit that notification bell, and please give the video a like and leave your comments below. Thank you. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.